Alright, so we trying something new this week. Well, not really something new just this week. We trying something new, like just to add on. We're gonna still do music and react to the request that was, my 600 or something followers put on my videos and whatnot. Man, this dude just commented on my joint talking about, oh, you got 11 comments and 3 of them are me. One day you'll wake up though, bro. Like, wake up for what? Wake up to realize nobody's even paying attention to these shits? I'm awoke. I ain't never been asleep if that's the case. And that's why I think I can say whatever the fuck I want to say. Ain't nobody paying attention to these shits. You know what I mean? But when we're going to do like police videos and sovereign citizen joints and I don't know, just other shit other than music. You know what I mean? We already did like intervention once. Did I ever do Hoarders? Nah, I ain't never do Hoarders. I did First 48, did some battle rap shit. What else did we do? I thought that was about it. Alright, but this is we're gonna do a whole bunch of cops, fucking body cam joints. What's this? A call about one passed out on the side of the road. See, this is like 2 in a row. Columbus again. Columbus seems to be rough, like a dog speak. Like I can't see myself. Actually, it was a job offer out in Columbus not too long ago that I was thinking about going for, and it wasn't an offer really. It was a job opportunity that I was thinking about going for. I just can't see myself living in Columbus. Like, I'm a single freaking black man moving to Columbus. Like, that's just saying this is where I'm gonna be for the rest of my life. And I ain't bagging no chicks out there and making no family, cause nah. She look like her. Like, I'm good on that. Alright. I call about one passed out the side of the road. No offense to nobody that could be from Columbus that's watching my video.
No, I ain't welcome this.
What's the chance of that happening, right?
That's a fucking death sentence.
You don't want to go to treatment?
What she said?
Get yourself out of this stuff. Have you ever tried to go to treatment or anything?
No, I ain't welcome this man my life away now. That's a fucking death sentence.
You don't want to go to treatment?
She says a death sentence.
Where is your emergency?
Corner of Glenwood and Campbell.
What's the emergency?
Saw someone, a young lady, I don't know if she's ODing or what, but she's passed out, like laying right off the side of the road.
She black, white, Hispanic?
I think white, and you can get a really good look at her, except to see that she was clearly breathing. But,
okay. Did you see what color shirt she had on?
White with.
Most of the time they start off with these with the cop calls or whatever, with the snitch. Nah, they ain't snitch if they trying to help somebody. They're snitching if they just like being nosy and shit. Like, I don't really be.
She was laying on the ground.
I don't really care. Like, I don't like when people be calling cops for drug deals and shit. Like, mind your business. Like, if the person is geeked out on the floor and like blocking traffic, I guess I get that because you don't want to get run over. But if you sitting there seeing an illegal act of commerce, like a transaction, nobody, no victim, and you sitting there calling the cops, like, man, you just, man, unless it's in your backyard, on your patio, like, I can't really understand. But I guess I never own nothing. Like, I guess if you own something, you start feeling a sense of like pride to the shit, and you be wanting to keep it pure. I don't know. That mentality's crazy to me.
Yeah,
that mentality's a little bit nuts to me.
No movement except for like her chest going up and down. So I mean,
right.
I'm
Your
pretty
name?
sure once they show up, she'll be the only
See,
one.
her chest going up and down, so she's
Your
somebody to be worried about.
It's Ed.
All right, we'll get police and medics out to check it out.
Thank you.
How you doing today, hon? I'm good. What have you been up to today? Not much?
You always be having those one
Where you heading to
piece
the shower?
rompers on too. Never two pieces of clothing, like just one thing throw all over
Were you
and
sitting
shit.
down a minute ago? Somewhere? Catching some rest?
They thought I was right there at the corner, but I wasn't.
Oh, okay. Did the medics come by and talk to you?
Yeah, they did show up.
Okay, yeah, because that's what someone called. I was making sure they're calling about you.
Guys that's up there. Guy that's up there. Okay, that made a lot of sense. Guy up there. Okay, the man that lives up on Chestnut.
Sure. Did he call on you?
It's crazy how the body, the drugs make their body do extended motions and shit. It's crazy.
Duplex.
Okay.
But anyhow, now there was
Constantly touching themselves and shit.
There was a chick that came down, walking down this way.
Okay.
No balance.
What was she wearing, you know?
She having fun, yo. She got the Frito Lays,
Oh,
the water.
Really? She got beat that bad?
Yeah, mud,
And now she telling the story. Yeah, you could tell that's the hood of the. And I don't even think like it's not one of those. I don't know what kind of hood. It's just dirty.
I can go down that way and check on her. Do you need anything? Are you sure you're gonna be alright out
No
here? 'Cause
fences.
you're a little tipsy.
Just like little cement walls. The steps to the apartments don't even, the steps to the house don't even got railings. You can fall on them steps if you want to.
Nothing? No ice?
You don't use nothing?
Yeah.
Oh,
Do you use that stuff?
that's all you use is ice.
Try not to.
Wait, I thought ice and meth was the
Is that
same
what you
shit.
usually like to use, or did you just get it because you couldn't get anything else?
I've done it before, literally, just to stay up here lately.
Why are you doing it to stay up? Why don't you want to sleep?
Sit down.
Yeah, go ahead and sit down.
No. I feel bad for people who can't control their freaking selves, man. It's like, cause she's not a danger to nobody. She's just
But
killing
why
herself.
would you want to take something that wouldn't let you sleep?
But, that's a fact.
Okay. Why do you do that to yourself?
What you say?
Okay. Take something that wouldn't let you sleep.
But, that's a fact.
Okay. Why do you do that to yourself? Alright. Where do you
Yeah, no
normally-
answers for you,
Where do
homie.
you normally kick it?
I wish you were homeless.
Yeah, I know
What
you're
is
homeless,
it?
but you say somewhere normally, right?
Yeah, but see, when at times I really want to stay away from sleep.
Yeah.
No. No, master, yes.
You from out here on the west side, or did you move down here and can't get away?
West side of Columbus, Ohio. Home from Cleveland. I wonder which one is worse, Cleveland or Columbus.
Yeah. Well, you gotta find a way to get yourself out
Yeah,
of this stuff.
opioid
You ever tried to get
crisis,
treatment or
man.
anything?
No,
But she said she used ice. That's not even opioids.
That's that fucking medicine.
You don't want to go to treatment? So that you don't have to use these drugs and stuff on the street. Okay. I know. Do you
Shit, I ain't gotta
like
use them now.
kind of your life out here?
I love it.
You love it?
Cars. Good,
I think you're being facetious.
No,
No, not at all.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Okay.
With that being said, man, tell us.
She used to be a normal freaking girl one back in the day, yo. She used to be a normal freaking person. Yeah, I'm done with this, man. This don't think gonna get interested. It's just sad. Yeah, it's just sad. Yeah, man. That was just sad. That was just sad. Fucking drugs, yo. She wasn't passed out either. I ain't nothing really to say about that. Poor lady. I hope she got help. It's hard to see women like that.